Hi, I'm Jason Dando with Asheridge Communications at CEDIA 2009 exhibition. Just like to give you an overview of some of the great products we have on the stand this year. Despite the economic downturn, we've tried very hard to introduce some new products and new innovations into the line this year. One of our biggest inquiry items this year has been an HDMI matrix over Cat5. We have a matrix here which will do 4x4 or 8x8. Takes an HDMI input and runs that straight out over Cat5 or Cat6 cable. That's really designed for the kind of smaller domestic and mid-sized projects. Key strength of the matrix obviously is the fact that it's running straight out of a Cat5, so there's minimal amounts of additional cabling required, and also the switching time, as you see from the screen here, is incredibly fast. So we can see we can switch from source to source there with no blue screens. And it also gives full IR transportation and control and IR routed back to the source. One of the other new innovations we have at CEDIA this year is HDMI over fibre, and this requires no additional copper cable to carry the DDC information, etc. It's just purely a 4-core fibre optic cable, and that will carry a 1080p HDMI signal up to 2 kilometres without any troubles. We also have our range of HDMI diagnostic tools as well, which will certainly give the installer indications of whether there's any problems with the components of the HD signal, and the signal restorer, which will actually then actively boost, repair and restore the HDMI signal in order that you can get the all-important picture back on the screen. In terms of cabling, as we're traditionally a cabling company, we're now supplying a full range of fibre off of the roll. We've made fibre as easy to purchase and use as traditional copper cables, and one of the things we've been demonstrating on the stand here is the easy terminate fibre optic connections. We can show you how to terminate a fibre connection in under 2 minutes per end. So there's a lot to see on the Asheridge website, a lot of new products, etc. So if you come to www.ashcoms.com, you'll see all of the new information, obviously inquire about price lists, information, and obviously request a visit from one of our many salespeople. So we hope you enjoy the show. Thank you very much.